Welcome back to my channel. This video is all about making a quick and easy jerk seasoning. See you after the intro. Welcome back. So let's get right into it. We have some onion, some ginger, some garlic, some thyme, and then the star ingredients, Scotch bonnet and pimento. You cannot have a jerk seasoning without Scotch bonnet and pimento. We also have some oil, some soy sauce, and then we're just going to throw this all in a blender, except the thyme. And now it's time for the thyme. Alright, so we're gonna strip our thyme and we're taking off the leaf and leaving the stem. We're not using the stem. Add an extra pepper if you want it to be hot and spicy. Yeah, you know Jamaicans love it. Hot and spicy. Blend until it's smooth. There you go. And be careful, this is potent. Pour into a jar, and that's so easy. That's how you have it. Delicious jerk seasoning. Oh yeah, click the link to see how I use this jerk seasoning to make some jerk chicken.